to slow yourself down by bringing like your back and turning.
So we're at Rabbit Hill and it's Lizzie's first time snowboarding. She chose snowboarding over skiing, so Ryan's obviously teaching her. But yeah, had a nice day so far. Got up early this morning, took Aiden to school on my own, and then went to Ricky's for lunch, which was nice. I went to Canadian Tire as well because Ryan lost his ski goggles. Annoyingly, we think we lost them in Banff. Really annoying because they cost him like $100, but he managed to get some new ones. Show them off. Same brand for about $10 cheaper. They do feel cheaper. We want to get some different lenses for him. But yeah, it's going good. So on the ski lift, Lizzie has swapped to skis. She didn't get on with snowboarding. She said it's much easier to ski. She actually hasn't even fallen that much. The only time she's fallen is when on the rope thing, and that's only because it's really hard to pull yourself up. She needs to practice the art of stopping. So we thought me and Ryan would go on the ski lift on our own, not take her on the big slopes yet, because she probably won't manage until she knows how to stop. But yes, it's going good. It's cold.
It's bloody crazy.
I've never skied in this cold weather. Look at the snow on my eyelashes. Lizzie's hair's literally frozen. There's a pink one. It's pink. Ah!
Number one.
And now my thoughts are changing into sounds.
So it's coming to the end of the day and Lizzie has just learned to stop on skis. So she really wants to go up that big hill that me and Ryan keep doing. So we might take her up there. It's so snowy, so cold. Look at my nose. Here's Ryan. Yeah! Say hi to the vlog. Hi vlog. Oh, we took up the big slope. She's trying to push me down. Still got all of that to go. Last time Lizzie went up the ramp and she still doesn't know how to stop. She kind of knows how to stop. And then she did learn.
I went, there was loads of snowboarders and I started going, oh God, oh God, ah! And then I cried.
Yeah, so.
But I did fall again.
But she's getting good.
It's alright.
It's alright. So Ryan's car's completely died.
See your knees.
But we've been saved.
Leg fell.
So guys, good morning. It is Monday the 7th of March. It is about 9:30 in the morning and probably about 10 now actually. And it's my last full day in Canada. I'm very sad. I fly out tomorrow evening at 7. I fly from Edmonton Airport to Vancouver and then I have to get a flight at 9:05 in the evening from Vancouver to the UK. And I land at 2 in the afternoon, UK time. so it's gonna really throw me. So I've just started packing. Ryan's out, he's doing a little bit of like DoorDash, which is kind of like Just Eat, just to earn a little bit of money because he's here for an extra month, so he kind of needs to like get some money to get himself going. Very sad to be leaving, very excited to go home because obviously I've missed everyone, and I feel like 2 months is like a really good amount of time. I feel like I've done a lot. There is loads that I want to do, like it's made me realise how much I want to travel and how much I actually really want to see like more of this country. It's just been an incredible opportunity. I just feel very lucky, to be honest, but obviously I am sad to leave. But I do miss everyone, so I can't wait to see my mum and my dad, my sister and everyone else at home. Obviously not really looking forward to going back to work, but can't wait to see everyone at work. I think we're going for a walk today. There's a park that I want to go to called Elk Park, outside of Edmonton, so we might do that, and then I think we're going out for dinner tonight, kind of like my last dinner before I go. And then tomorrow, obviously I've got like a lot of time in the morning before I go, so we might go on like another dog walk or something, but yes.
We get jumped by a bunch of Canadians. God save the Queen.
So guys, it's Tuesday, the 8th of March, and it is leaving day. I have packed pretty much all my stuff. There's my carry-on rucksack, one suitcase, and then my other suitcase is out here. They're literally like packed to the top, but I got a 23 kilogram limit, so it should be fine. I've been feeling like okay all week, like okay about leaving, like I'm very excited to see my family and stuff obviously, but obviously I think now the day's come. I am very upset to leave Ryan, I am very upset to leave everyone else, like just say goodbye to Ryan's family, but Ryan is coming back on the 4th of April, so that is exactly 4 weeks today. He'll be coming back in England and I'll be picking him up from the airport. So we went to the Canadian Brew House for dinner last night, which was actually on my list of places to go, and we all went, like all of Ryan's family, and it was such a nice place, like a bar as well as a restaurant. But yeah, as you can tell from the video, we were watching the ice hockey game. And it was actually the Edmonton Oilers that were playing against Calgary, so we were supporting them, but then we had to leave early because Ryan's mum was up really early this morning, so we didn't watch the whole game. But Ryan's family are actually thinking of going to Edmonton Stadium tomorrow to watch ice hockey game because the Oilers are playing again in the NHL, so that'd be good for them. I'm really gutted. I really wish I could come, or I wish that I got to see a hockey game in real life whilst I was here, but now I know what to do for next time. So we're just going to Walmart, gonna get some chewing gum because their chewing gum out here is elite, and we don't have it in the UK. And I'm also going to get maple syrup, proper Canadian maple syrup to take home. So yeah. Goodbye Canada, goodbye house. We are en route to the airport. I don't want to go. There's been a lot of tears. So I'm in a rush. I've landed in Vancouver. I'm now getting on my flight from Vancouver to London. This is like such a panic. I can't even deal with it. I've cried like so many times.